Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Closing Comments here on March 19th. Let's jump into our markets and see what happened today. We're going to start off with live cattle here with the June 25 contract on the board. June made a new all-time high today, breaking these previous highs at the end of January. Price pushing up to 203. Across the board, fats are getting to be near $2 or above it. We are seeing down the line prices just keep pushing into all-time highs. This market remains strong and the bulls are in charge here. We are seeing overextended readings like we've discussed over the last few days, but until the bears can step in and get price to slow down, expect this thing to keep grinding higher. If we start to see some balance action and some prior day lows getting taken out, that's when I'd be ready to start looking for a pullback and see price push back towards these averages. But in the near term, this market's just going to keep on grinding as it remains strong. Same story over here in the feeders. New all-time highs across the board on a daily basis here. Feeders keep pushing up. Looks like $3 is getting closer and closer, and more possible every day here. Expect the bulls just to keep on grinding. Overextended readings here as well. If we see balance action and prior day lows getting taken out, we'd see a pullback here as well. But expect support to step in. Until then, this market just keeps on marching higher. Wouldn't expect that to slow down anytime soon. Everything remains bullish in the cattle market. Next up, we have corn. The May contract today made took out our prior day highs and continues to move higher here so far in the evening session. If we take a look at our lower time frame, we see these higher lows getting violated today, and that downtrend line breaking with price pushing above it. 456 remains a good support point, and the bulls won this battle here, taking out our prior day highs and breaking this downtrend line. As discussed yesterday, if that were to happen, I'd see 470 will probably trade over the next couple days here. Expect prices to kind of push up here and balance out in between our pivots for the week. If we take a look back at our daily time frame, our 20-day average is parked here at 470 half. We'd expect to see price get back up into there and see what the bulls have to say about that, with price testing these averages from below. Resistance could step in here and potentially make that next leg lower. However, wouldn't be surprised to see price just kind of balance out and trade sideways here for a bit. For the bulls to get back in the driver's seat, we need to see price get back above this prior high, as well as get a close above this 50-day average for this market to reverse course and head higher again. But in the meantime, not expecting that to happen quite yet. They still got a little bit of work to do, and resistance to chew through here back at these averages. So in the meantime, sit tight and let this market trade sideways and pick a direction, hopefully over the next few days. Crude oil bounced back a little bit after the $2 sell-off yesterday. Pulled back just near 67, slightly above 67. This May contract just trading in a pretty choppy action, going both directions here. Not a lot of conviction from either side. However, this big picture downtrend is still intact, and so I would anticipate the bears are still in control. Might just need to go see 68 again and find some more sellers back up around these averages. So that's all we got for oil. Equity markets had a positive reaction to the Fed day today. Not a lot of excitement or not a lot of big news or anything. Rates remain unchanged, and but the market seemed to have a good reaction to it. However, price has not really gone anywhere this week. We've just basically been in a 3-day range going sideways here. Near term, would expect to see prices pull back into these averages and test some of these prior levels. Resistance will probably step in these areas, so any upside should be limited here. We could see another leg lower to come. But that's going to take a little bit of time to unfold. That's all we got for today. Unemployment data tomorrow, so that might bring in a little more excitement to these equity markets. But other than that, not a lot of news planned out for the rest of the week. So anyways, everyone have a good night.